In this video, we are going to discuss about the electrical resonance. So, name of the topic is electrical resonance. So, what is the meaning of electrical resonance? So, electrical resonance is said to take place in LCR circuit when the circuit allows maximum current for a given frequency of the source of alternating supply, for which the capacitive reactance become equal to the inductive reactance. So, what we know previously that I is equal to V by Z. Z is impedance. So that is V by root over R square plus L omega minus 1 by C omega whole square. That means XL minus XC. But what will happen? What is the definition I told? The electrical resonance is said to take place in LCR circuit when the circuit allows the maximum current. So when the circuit allows the maximum current, then this part will become 0. Okay, or you can say the XL will be equal to XC. This condition, the current will be maximum. Okay, so if XL and XC becomes 0, that means what is the formula of XL? XL is equal to 2 pi nu into L, and XC is equal to 1 by 2 pi nu into C. So you can understand, frequency increases, XL will increase, and frequency increases, this XC will decrease. So at a certain frequency, that it will become this one will become equal, and that frequency is known as the resonance frequency. Okay, so you can say that at a particular frequency nu naught, the amplitude of the current in LCR circuit become maximum. So that frequency is known as the resonance frequency. So resonance frequency will be denoted as resonance frequency will be denoted as nu naught. So what will happen in the nu naught? That XL will be equal to XC. So you can write at this frequency XL is equal to XC. So you put the value here. XL is equal to L into omega naught is equal to 1 by C omega naught, or L. Omega naught means, so you can find out omega naught square is equal to 1 by LC, and omega means 2 pi nu, or you can find out omega naught is equal to 1 by root over LC. Omega means 2 pi nu naught. 2 pi nu naught is equal to 1 by root over LC. So nu naught is equal to 1 by 2 pi root over LC. So this frequency is known as the resonance frequency in the series LCR circuit. So what is the graph of the things? So graph will be, I told you the current will be maximum in this case. So graph for the current and the frequency graph. This is omega, and this one is current I. So this is for resonance resistance R3. Resistance will increase slowly. So like this way, and sharp value, this one R1, R2, R3. You can write R3 is greater than R2 is greater than R1. So you can understand this one. In this particular current, particular resistance, the current will be maximum I naught. So resonance will occur, and this frequency is known as nu naught. This is 0. This is the graph you have to remember. Okay. So the application of LCR circuit, series LCR circuit at resonance admit maximum current in a particular frequency. Therefore, it is called the acceptor circuit. Okay, and this circuit is used in radio, television's receiver to tune the desired frequency, or you can say that to filter the unwanted frequencies. Okay, so this is the series LCR circuit. I write down the this one. So First we write the definition also here. Electrical resonance is said to take place in series LCR circuit when the current when the current allows maximum, when the circuit allows maximum current, when circuit allows maximum current for a given frequency. That frequency is known as, as I told you, is the nu naught, that is called the resonance frequency. Okay, so in this case what will happen, that XL is equal to XC. Remember this one. Inductive reactance will be equal to the capacitive reactance. Okay, so now next topic is parallel resonance circuit.